Inside many plants, hidden in roots, seeds, flowers, bark, are concentrated, highly potent chemical compounds. These natural compounds are essential oils. Essential oils give a plant its scent, protect it from hazardous environmental conditions, and even assist it with pollination, among other important functions and benefits. Basically, essential oils are the essence of a plant distilled and prepared for you to bring the power of nature into your home. Always make sure you buy natural and 100% pure essential oils, as there are many knockoffs in the market. Let's get to the next question. What are the benefits of essential oils? Most pure and natural essential oils are reported to have a variety of health benefits when used properly. It can stimulate the limbic system, and many of these essential oils are able to give you a positive physiological and psychoactive effects. It can help with pain relief, sleep aid, and it may even help you when you are not feeling very well. But can it remove your illness or a virus? And what about CBD? Before we answer that question, let's quickly have a look at how we can use essential oils. How can we use it? Inhalation is the most beneficial way to use essential oils for a flu or when you're feeling off. You can inhale essential oils by sniffing the bottle directly or adding a few drops of oil to a diffuser. This method helps clear your nasal passages so you can breathe better. When applying oils topically, always use a carrier oil. These are oils used to dilute essential oils. Many essential oils shouldn't be taken by mouth unless under the specific care of a healthcare professional. Benefits of essential oils for flu. Fever is not a disease in itself. It is a symptom of an underlying infection. The antimicrobial action of bergamot oil may help fight the infection causing the fever, be it viral infections or bacterial infections. Bergamot essential oil has been shown to reduce fever by increasing sweat production. This is achieved by stimulating blood circulation and the production of hormones. When sweat evaporates on the skin, body temperature comes down. This sweating also allows for the release of toxins. Keeping a few basic oils around, such as bergamot, lavender, peppermint, and frankincense, can be helpful even if you're not sick. They can also help with stress or pain. Is it safe? Essential oils may help soothe fever symptoms. However, they cannot treat illness alone. You may still need medical attention. There is no hard evidence to suggest that essential oils can treat or cure flu symptoms or those of other viruses, including the coronavirus. That said, some people with mild symptoms may find that essential oils help them feel better. What we see is that essential oils can sometimes help a lot with putting your mind at ease, reduce stress, and uplift your mood.